what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Damo. I'm here to bring you guys another video. Of course, you guys already know what type of video this is because I always, bring you these type of videos. But before we get into this video, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date with everything and me. Okay, so as you guys already seen the thumbnail for my video, of course, this is a Air Jordan 11 low pickup. So let's get right into it. I already took the sneakers out of the box, as you can see. And before we get into the sneakers, let me just say I absolutely love this box. Yo, JB, I just like the little details, and this is super like fire for them to do. But if you can see on the box, it's like a snakeskin pattern going around the whole box. I think that's like hella dope. It's super dope. But yeah, it's just the little details that I absolutely love. But these are the Air Jordan 11s. These are the Gradeschool versions. I got them in a 6.5. I paid a retail for them, which is $135. Okay, close these up so we can get into it. So this is what they look like. These look hella big. I actually got them in a 6.5. I'm starting to notice that Jordans are running hella small. Like I used to be able to fit a 5.5, 6. Now I'm like 6, 6.5. Go figure. But yeah, these are what they look like. Again, these are the Blue Snakeskin Air Jordan 11s. I absolutely love that, like the Concords, they have the chunky laces. I don't know why, but I love these big fat rope laces. I think they look super dope. The skinny ones are cool, but I really like the chunky ones. It like sets it off a little bit, makes it look a little different. Focus. I used to love my original pair of these 11s. Like it was a point in time where I was like OD over any blue pair of Jordans that released. I had every single pair of blue Jordans that I could find. Then it was red. Then I was just like, fuck it. Like I'm just getting whatever I like. But I don't know. But let's get into the sneaker. And the sneaker is basically the plain, just like the regular 11s. It's the plain black insole with the Jordan symbol. The only thing that I really, honestly, I don't like that they changed the snakeskin print. It's a little darker now. Like the originals were lighter, way lighter. These, the pattern, well, not the pattern, but the color that they use is definitely way darker than the OGs. And they could have lightened it up just a little bit, just a tad bit. But you got the blue icy bottoms as always. I love a good icy bottom. I just love it. These are super cute. Can't wait to wear these when it gets warmer outside. A pair of 11s, a white shirt, and some shorts. Poppin', poppin', okay? I hope and I pray that the silver and white 11 lows and the hot pink and white 11 lows re-release, because if they do, then my 11 lows are definitely complete. Like everything copped. So I'm just missing those last two pairs, the silver lows, silver and white lows, and the hot pink and white lows. Once those release, JB, thank you. But these are what the Blue Snakeskins look like. Absolutely adore these sneakers. I'm so happy that I can have them in my collection again. I recommend picking these up. If you're like a Jordan collector, then these are a good collection piece to have. Like, come on, snakeskin on a sneaker, duh. But yeah, this is my unboxing of the Jordan 11 snakeskins, baby. Of course I had to have these, of course. But thank you guys for always rocking with your girl in my unboxings, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and stick around. Peace out.